guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping doing a scrapbook layout for you. I'm a traditional scrapbooker, so I do 12 by 12 layouts. And I have these two pictures of my niece, Sydney. Here's a picture of her in a cute airplane with the eggs. Looks like picture people pictures. This was back when she was 2.5 years old, and she's 16 now. So, you know, I'm way behind on my scrapbooks, but that's okay. So it looks like these were, let's see, if she's 2.5 in these pictures, she was born in 02, so 03, 04. So this was probably 2005. Is that right? No, she's 2 3/4. She would have turned 3. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't even do math. She was born in 2002, 2003, 2004. Okay, so this is probably maybe spring of 2005 and right around when she was turning close to turning 3. It doesn't really matter. Anyway, I loved the airplane in these pictures, and the Best Root Designer Series paper I thought would be perfect for this. So I'll show you the layout I came up with using that paper and the card pack. So I started with a piece of Pineapple Punch cardstock, and this is the 12 by 12 cardstock. So this is the 2018 to 20 12 by 12 in color cardstock pack. And then I grabbed the Best Root Memories and More card packs. And I love these card packs, especially if you're a scrapbooker. And there's 4 by 6 cards in here and 3 by 4 cards in here that all coordinate with the set. And I pulled out this 3 by 4 card that says, "Love this." I just thought that was so cute. And then I pulled out the sticker sheet. Grab that for you. Because I want to use the cute little airplanes that are with this. And I want to use, and these are stickers, but they're cardstock. I want to use one of these for my journaling. All right, so for this layout, I grabbed the Best Root Designer Series paper, and they had this airplane sheet, which I love, and I cut a 1/2 inch. Did I do a 1/2 inch? I did a 1/2 inch off each side. So this is 11.5 by 11.5, just so that the border would be showing of the Pineapple Punch. So let me go ahead and stick that down. Whenever new Designer Series paper comes out, I like to look at it and see if there's anything that I know I have pictures of, especially when it's themed paper like this. This would be good for, you know, if you have pictures of like going on an airplane or a first flight or something along those lines. All right. Next, I grabbed a piece of Night of Navy cardstock. And again, this is from the Regal's 12 by 12 cardstock pack. And it's 12 inches. Well, it's actually 11.5 inches because I did cut that little piece off just so it would be the same, and it is 4 inches wide. And let me make sure, it looks like it's, let me measure it, make sure I cut this correctly. 11.5 is what it should be. Yep, it looks like 11.5. There we go. Needed just a tiny bit. You see how my eye could notice even this little tiny amount. Isn't that funny? I'm sure all of you could too. All right. So this piece right here is going to go just like this. So let's go ahead and stick our adhesive on. So I'm going to line it up exactly with that Designer Series paper, and it should line up perfectly right there. All right, and then I grabbed more of the Designer Series paper from the Best Root. This side has the cute little bicycles, and this side just has these stripes with the Pineapple Punch and the Mango Melody, the Gray Granite. And this one should be, let's make sure, this is 4 by 11.5. And I'm going to stick that down right in the middle. I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to line it up just like so. All right, and then I want to map my two pictures and my card. So I'm doing that in Night of Navy, just a regular Night of Navy cardstock. And it doesn't really matter the sizes because your picture sizes will be different. You just want like a small picture like this, and then a bigger picture. This was originally a 5 by 7. This was originally a wallet. I did trim it down a tiny bit just to clean it up because it wasn't cut evenly. This is back in, you know, actual photograph days when you would just quickly cut a picture apart and hand it out to someone so it wasn't totally straight. And then this one, obviously, since this is a 3 by 4 card, this one we know is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. Love this. All right, and these are gonna go, let's see, how are these gonna go? I think they're gonna go just like just like this. So we're going to go right here. And let's get them, line them up with the airplanes. And this one's going to go right here. And this one, obviously, I could have done an Easter layout, but you know what? I'm just going to go along with this. It's going to go right here. Okay, and now I'm going to grab these stickers. So I thought the airplanes, these two little airplanes would go cute. So I'm going to put one right here. And I'm going to put one right here. And you get more than one sticker sheet in the card pack, which is kind of nice. So I'm just going to use those two. And then, let's see, for my journaling, I think I'm going to grab this rectangle piece right here. And it's going to go right in the center. And I have my Night of Navy Stampin' Write marker. And I'm just going to write Sydney. She's age 2.5. We'll just put that. I mean, you know what? It doesn't matter if it's perfect. And I'm going to put that it's 2000 and... No, what did we decide, you guys? 2003, 2004, it's 2005. Here we go. Then at least I know which scrapbook to put it in. And that is my layout. Isn't that adorable? Just using the designer series paper and the coordinating card pack, it made it so quick and easy. So I hope you enjoyed this layout and that you will check out my blog, a2zstamping.com. And I would love it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.